What do you want to do?
Here, you want to go down
another floor upstairs, or?
You lead on. You know, you've been here before. Yeah, I was just looking through.
Maybe you'd like to go down there. Grandma's dad. They might have a trumpet.
Yeah. Then they must have about 10 miles of these little shops down through here.
Yeah, I know it.
Up and down. This looks like we started almost. I guess we're further down, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I see some crowd.
Fresh fish, who's that? Man, oh, let me know. We got fish to throw. I'll be here now and in the day.
Looks like it.
What?
Look at this big old salmon that I have cookies. Do you want to go back that way, or do you want to go this way? We don't have a problem.
Hey,
Let's go find some.
you going where?
Fresh fish here from the
Why don't you get me some? She will get me some cherries.
Okay. They get it for you. You didn't get it? I'm happy you will get it. The first year Bill and I were married, about 35 years ago, we had cherry trees in our backyard. I mean, we had tons of cherries, and I canned cherries till they were coming out of my ears.
Oh, your ears, huh?
And then when I got through, he told me he didn't like cherries.
I don't think so. They won't let me carry it back on the plane.
There we go. Be good for 2 days, 48 hours. No, headache on the way home.
Renee.
Come here, over here, Shandy. Over here. You look across the street.
beautiful name, Delilah.
Hey, what kind of camera you got there?
It's a Canon Rebel.
Oh, Canon. Holly had a my nose is She wants her cherry back.
Every single day for
I got mushrooms and those beans.
Yeah, they can see you all right. Come on, let's go then. Look at this picture right here, Ken. Oh, you don't see the young boy now. She won't get right.
Do you want to go that way or this way?
Are we headed to the car or are we headed to the ticket?
Yeah, we're headed for the car.
Wherever that's at, probably out along the street.
We're going to get the tickets. We've got to get back in the car and drive down to the...
Well, you lead on. If you...
All right, we'll be there in 2 minutes.
Poor flowers, they put them in the midst of this. Ooh, I want me a piece of bread. $50 a lot.
Wait a minute, you're looking at something right here.
The spring rolls are good.
Does this have barbecue inside of it or what?
You want an ice cream cone, Shandy?
That's beef in it.
Neat.
Here, Francis, take the one here.
Well, it's different. It's nothing like good old Southern barbecue.
That's sort of what I wanted. Plain bread, but this is good. I need to see what we'd had to pay for this tour. Are we in line with the car?
Yeah, it's 20 after.
Up the hill here now, Fred, or one more?
I'm not sure if the car is on this block or the next. I think it's the next one because, yeah, he didn't film.
All right, we'll get to see if there's more down here then.
Just see this hibiscus like we bought Linda? There's a big old gerber daisy.
Sorry.
Huh?
Interesting that they have such good weather here.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's beautiful.
Brian said it's too spicy for her.
It is spicy.
I bet you really like it, huh?
I am enjoying it.
You like that spicy
I
stuff?
do too. Do you like it?
I don't like it real spicy. I like a little bit of spicy.
It's the way she is. I like it real spicy.
Well, second thought, maybe those things were pretty good price here.
Where?
What's wrong here?
Pretty expensive.
$30 to $66.
The tiny one?
$13.50. But
Did you see them somewhere else?
yeah, and I thought, man, this thing's way overpriced, but maybe they're not. Well, take 25% off. That's not too bad.
Well, we need one that has more gizmos than that. Fine.
If you have any questions at all, just let me know.
We need one that
Okay, thank you. Hey, I forgot to say please not to buy her ice cream. She said you didn't say the magic word please. And I said, please? She said you already had a bite. Now you can have one. So you got water here and the mountains there, too?
Yeah.
So you really, around here, you got everything. We can be at the ocean and, we can be down in the ocean, not at down, what, honey? No, Grammy is. And we could be at the ocean in no time. But, well, it takes about 45 minutes. Got right on the ocean.
But then you had to climb up and down these hills.
Down at Seattle, you do. See that boat over there?
That's a totem pole there.
Yeah, I noticed. some of these piers they were floating around. Kind of flaky looking.
You want to see? Yeah. Come over here and I'll lift you up.
Hey.
Oh my goodness!
My name is Chris. Will be giving you narration this afternoon. As we get started, I'll tell you a little bit about the vessel. The smoking is loud on the upper deck and outside on the bow. Please note smoking is the close part of the lower deck. We have a galley open on the lower deck. We have pizza, hot dogs, and sandwiches. Also a variety of beer, cocktails, and wine.
Be so kind.
And other beverages also, of course. The lower deck also is the restroom. Ladies on the left, men on the right of the galley.
Right over there, the big super for you.
Starting our tour today from Pier 57 on the downtown Central Waterfront. We'll be traveling through Elliott Bay, the Puget Sound, the Valley Lock. So raising us up on to the freshwater level of the Lake Washington 60 now. We're in our tour today at the south end of Lake Union. A small freshwater lake.
One of the largest areas in the world here.
To take you back to either Pier 57 or back to your hotel.
That breeze sure feels better. Oh, okay, good.
You see on the left-hand side, or a large Washington State ferry is called the Spokane. It's double-ended and symmetrical. You see the cars inside there. You drive on one side, drive directly off the other. These ferries really never have to turn around. Now, Washington State operates the largest ferry system in the United States, 23 large ferries. 9 locks across the Puget Sound, and 4 jumbo ferries onto our fleet in the next couple of years. The Spokane will accommodate about 200 cars and 2,000 passengers, regular runs from Seattle to Bainbridge Island, about 7 miles across the sound. And around the terminus here goes over to Bremerton, about 17 miles across the sound on the Kitsap Peninsula. There's a couple of smaller ferries that accommodate that route. The route that goes over to Bainbridge Island is the most heavily traveled ferry route in North America. We have these smaller Washington State ferries here on our left. Creatures, if you look at that from a distance. This is collectively called Pier 57.